Hey, Dixie Thumper here. Quick follow-up from yesterday's. These are some of the recovered smokes from the 40 millimeter shoot. My wife found them out there when she was knocking down some weeds and whatnot. So the top right here this is the top. This is what I had as kind of like a color marking. Unfortunately, I didn't have all the colors I needed, so these are my push discs. These actually are reusable. I just peel the glue off this and reuse it. So, but that gives you a clear seal over a color, so you can kind of have an idea what color the smoke is. That was my thought pattern. So both of those are intact and reusable. So I'll go hunt the pasture and find the rest of them. The smokes, remember I was saying that they are a ripoff? Well, these were the high dollar smokes, right? They did deploy, they did burn. And you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see where my finger is. That's where that smoke ends, is right here. So there, and about ½ inch on each end is plugged. So there's about 1 inch of smoke compound in this tube, and this tube is cut down from about 6 inches long. So roll your own, make your own smokes. That's why there wasn't a whole lot of smoke volume, because there's just not a lot in these. They're cheap. They're not cheap, they sell them for stupid prices, but they're cheaply made. This little pusher is reusable. Smoke did not burn it up. This is printed out of PLA 100% infill. So even if you have like a printed casing or whatnot, this one may not fit as well, but yeah, it'll fit. So you can reuse this again. Reuse them till they are not usable anymore. Save the money. This one, same thing, completely reusable. I can shove it all the way down in there, but I have to get a punch to push it back out, so I'm not going to. But these are 3D printed 3-inch casings. They're reusable. Printing up some for a guy now. This is the second one. It's in the same boat. Let's see, pull it out here one-handed. So same thing, had a good burn. Also, you can see right here, this was orange smoke. That's, yeah, what's that, an inch worth of smoke compound, ridiculous. And completely reusable. So, I'll go all the way down in there. Anyway, yeah, this is where the fuse goes in and the smoke comes out, and when it sits down in here in the little wad, those little gaps right there is where the smoke comes out of. That's why they're a little, see, like that one's got some so zoom into it, kind of melted a little bit there. That's just because that was where the burn was coming out of right there. Yeah. Anyway, wanted to let people know that's how those work. I'm going to be designing a specific pusher for these smokes, for the 1 inch and the 1.25 inch and the 1 1/8. That way they'll be designed to fit inside the 37 and the 40, so they'll be usable in both. And you can just buy them. It's a kit basically with the end plug, and make your own. If you have the tubes, you can go buy the tubes and you can make your own smoke compound that way. Thanks.